So page number 111, first question says that which of the following is used to insert a row in a table? First option TR tag, second is TR open and TR close, then TD tag open, TD tag close, and TH tag open, TH tag close. Which one is correct? Anybody knows? Now unmute yourself if you have answer. Give answer.
The
Which one?
B.
B1 correct. Very good.
The
Now,
B.
very good.
Sir,
B1 is
B.
very good. So correct. Mark this. This is the correct answer. TR open and TR close tag. That is B. B1 is correct. Very good. Now second is each description start with a, means definition description start with DD tag, DI tag, DT tag, yeah, none of these. Which one is correct? Which
Sir,
one is
A.
correct? Yes, first one is
Sir, A.
Sir,
very,
A.
very good. Very good. Now DD tag. DD tag is correct. First one is correct. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Now next question. Which of the following
So this page number.
please you have to mute yourself. Mute yourself.
Which page number?
Page number beta. Page number 111. Now we come to the page number 112. Open page number 112. Third question, which of the following is used to turn off the word wrapping? Options are no wrap, second is wrap, third is align, or fourth one is realign. Which one is correct?
The no rap.
Very good. No
Sir,
wrap.
no rap.
Very good. No wrap is the correct answer. Very
Sir,
good.
no rap.
Good. So first answer is correct, no wrap. Next is
Yes, sir.
which of the following specifies that the table has no border? Table has no border. So which one is correct? Border equals to 0.
Border equal to 0.
Border equals
Equals to none.
Equal to 0.
no. A.
Very good. Border equals to 0. Very
Sir,
good.
A.
A is correct. Third, fourth is over. Now fifth one is which of the following specifies the space between the cell in pixels? First is cell spacing, second is cell padding, third is border, or fourth is gap. Now which one is correct? Unmute yourself and give answer. Cell spacing. Very good. Cell spacing. Harshdeep Kaur is saying that cell spacing. Very good. Cell spacing is the correct answer. Next, which of the following creates a cell in a row of a table? TD tag, TR tag, TS tag, or table tag? Now give answer in comment section. Yes, very good. Shreya says that TD tag. Very good. Now, Harshdeep, this is wrong. Harshdeep, now TD tag is used to create a cell in a row. So cell we have to create with the help of TD tag. Very good. First answer is correct. Next is which of the following separates the piece of text from the rest of text? Which of the following separates the piece of text from the rest of text? First option is block quote, second is caption, third is tags, or fourth one is head tag. So which answer is correct? Very good, Shreya. Answer is block code. Answer. Kajal also have given answer. Very good, block code. Harshdeep, very good. Now, answer is block code. Block code is the correct answer. So means first one is correct. Next is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First question, dash is used to add the items in ordered list. Which element we have to use to add item in the ordered list? Shreya has given answer. Very good. Any other? किसी और को पता है आंसर? Very good, Kajal. Both are correct. The answer is li. Li tag is used to add the items in ordered list. Very good. Kushagra, this is wrong. Align is an attribute. Is used to align the text either left side, right side, or center. For this, we have to use align. But this time we have to use li tag, not align tag. Answer is li. Li is the correct answer. Then next question, the text in header row of a table is by default dash and dash. Text in header row. Header row means with the help of th tag of a table is by default dash and dash. Yes, Shreya and Kajal both have given answer. Both are correct. Any other student knows answer? Give your answer. Kushag, write your answer if you know. Prachi, do you know the answer? Write down. Only 2 students have given answer. Very good. Answer is center and bold. Or you can write bold and center. Both are correct. Means by default they are bold. Bold means it is written in dark. And center means alignment is center. Alignment is center. Clear? So center and bold. B-O-L-D. Center and bold. B-O-L-D. Next, third fill in the blanks. Dash attribute in ordered list specifies the numeric value to which the list need to start. Name of the attribute in the ordered list which specifies the numeric value. Means numeric value को start करने के लिए which attribute we have to use? Very good. Shreya Jindal and Kajal Saxena both have given answer. Any other? Prachi Saxena, very good. Kushag, this is wrong. Answer is start. S-T-A-R-T. Start attribute. Kushag, you are writing tag name. Very good, Sanu Bansal. Answer is start. Start is an attribute. Or Kushag, you are writing OL. OL is a tag. Question says that name of the attribute. Name of the attribute in the ordered list. So answer is start. Start attribute in the ordered list specify numeric value to which the list need to start. Then fourth, dash tag is used to turn off the word wrapping. Dash tag, name of the tag that is used to turn off the word wrapping. Which answer is correct? Very good. Santam Bansal, you have written very good. Correct answer, no wrap, but the spelling of wrap is W-R-A-P. W-R-A-P. So answer is no wrap. Very good, Harshdeep. Now answer is no wrap. Kushagra, good. Harshdeep, very good. Prachi, good. Clear? Answer is no wrap. NOWRAP. No wrap is the correct answer. Then fifth is dash is used to create empty cell in a table. Dash is used to create empty cell in a table. Name of the tag which is used to create empty cell in a table. Anybody knows? Answer is ampersand NBSP. We have to write ampersand like this. Ampersand means sign of and, NBSP, like this. Ampersand NBSP, and at the end you have to write semicolon. So this is the answer. Ampersand NBSP. Is it correct? Then come back. Then now write true or false against each statement. First is the tag TD, open TD close, creates a header in a table. Is it correct or false? No, Rajkumar, this is false. Rajkumar, this is false. You have written true, but it is false. Then second is the width attribute specify the width of the table. Width attribute specify the width of the table. Is it true or false? Very good, true. Kushagra Singh saying that true. Very good. Riya, Satnam, very good. Rajkumar, good. This is the answer. Very good. Now answer is true. Then next is cell padding specifies the space between data and cell. Cell padding specifies the space between data and cell. Is it true or false? Very good, Kajal. Siddhi Patel, very good. Siddhi Patel, you have written false. No, this is true. Answer is true. Cell padding specifies the space between data and cell. Yes, it is true. Answer is true. Then table is the combination of rows and columns. Table is the combination of rows and columns. Is it true or false? True. Very good. Everybody knows. We have to. Sir, please repeat question number 2. Question number 2 means fill in true false. True false. The width attribute specify width of the table. That is true. Jaya Jory says that. Sir, repeat number 2. The width attribute specify the width of the table. Answer is true. Answer is true. Then Phillips. Phillips ka second. So Phillips ka second. The text in the header row of a table is by default bold and center. Bold and center. Answer you have to write like this. BOLD, bold, AND, and center, CENTER, center. This is the answer of second fill-up, bold and center. Now next, Salini Gangwar, MCQ number 4 and 5. MCQ number 4 and 5. Fourth ka A and fifth again A. Fourth and fifth both are A. First. Then come back to the true false, and now fifth is we aligns the cell content horizontally. We align. Yes, very good. This is false. Everybody knows. Kushagra, Kajal, Hasdeep. Very good. Riya Arora, Prachi. Everyone given say correct answer. Answer is false. Very good. Now next is height attribute of TR tag specifies the height of row. Is it true or false? Kusagar says that true. Satnam says that true. And then Rajkumar says that false. The answer, correct answer is false. Correct answer is false. Next, come to the match the column A with column B. Match the column A with column B. First column means here you have to write numbers. This is the correct one method. You have to write numbers. Now, caption align equals to top. Caption align equals to top. Answer of this is aligns the caption above the table. Means last, that is F. F में डाल दो number 1. Number 1. Then no border. No border. Border equals to 0. Then BG color equals to red. That means red background. V align means vertical alignment. No wrap, that means off the word wrapping. List within list, that means nested list. Now see its sequences like 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in reverse order. Answers are 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the correct sequence. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Sriya Jindal, you have written correct sequence. Good. Ansika Dixit is saying that, sir, please tell MCQ 1 and 2. MCQ number 1 and 2. MCQ first, answer is B. Or MCQ second, answer is A. Okay. Now, then very short answer type questions. Very short answer type questions. First question, it is used to display data in a tabular format. So, name of the thing which we used to display data in a tabular format. Kajal Saxena has given answer. This answer is correct. Very good. Any other person knows which thing we have to use? Salini Gangwar asking true, false first. First is false. First is false. Salini, first one is false. It is used to display data in a tabular format. What is the answer? Kajal Saxena, very good. Your answer is correct. Sriya Jindal, your answer is also correct. Answer is table. Answer is table. Table, we use table to display data in a tabular format. We use tables. Very good, Kusagra. We use table to display data in a tabular format. Then it is the sub list within the main list. Shreya Jindal, your answer is correct. It is the sub list within the main list. Means list within a list is called nested list. So answer is nested list. Answer is nested list. Nested list. Then next question, the items are listed with a description of each item. The items are listed with a description of each item. So which tag we will use here? The items are listed with a description of each item. Name of the list is correct, definition list, but which tag we will use for this inside definition list? No. For description, DL tag is for definition list. But I am saying that which tag we have to use for description of the list. Detailed description, yeah, definition description. Very good. DD tag. Shreya Jindal, your answer is correct. DD tag. So here either you have to write definition list or you have to write DD tag. Both are correct. So here you have to write DD tag. DD tag is used to provide list of item in a description manner. So list with the description of each item we have to write with the help of DD tag. DD. Both time you have to write DD. Like this, DD tag. DD tag is called definition description. This is the answer. Then it creates a table header row. Name of the tag which is used to create table header row. Very good. Kajal has given answer. Shreya Jindal, very good. Shalini, this is wrong. Shalini, this answer is wrong. Kushagra answer wrong. Harshdeep, correct answer. Prachi answers correct. So correct answer is TH tag. Correct answer is TH. TH is called table header. Table header. This is the correct answer.